Have you ever bitten into a homegrown cucumber, only to be met with a surprising bitterness? It's a common problem, but one that can easily be avoided. Let's dive into the world of cucumbers and discover how we can ensure a sweet, refreshing taste every time. Firstly, it's important to understand why cucumbers sometimes taste bitter. The primary reason is stress on the plant. This can come in many forms. A common one is inconsistent watering. Cucumbers crave a steady supply of water. Too much or too little can cause stress, leading to a bitter taste. The aim is to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. This balance provides the plant with the hydration it needs without overwhelming it. Next, let's talk about plant selection. Not all cucumbers are created equal. Some varieties are naturally less likely to turn bitter. Choosing a burpless variety is a good choice. These include Sweet Slice, Sweet Select, and Market More. These types have been bred specifically to reduce bitterness, making them a safe bet for a sweet harvest. Temperature also plays a big role in cucumber taste. Dramatic fluctuations from one extreme to another can lead to stress on the plant. This, in turn, can cause the fruit to become bitter. To avoid this, try to provide a stable environment for your cucumbers. This might involve protecting the plants from harsh heat conditions with a shading cloth during 100° Fahrenheit or higher temperatures. Adding mulch to help maintain consistent moisture will also help with reducing stress on the plants, but make sure your plants do not become waterlogged. Check on them daily. Now onto physical damage, which is another stressor that can lead to bitterness. Keep an eye on your cucumber plants and protect them from pests, harsh winds, or accidental damage when gardening. Finally, the right nutrients can make all the difference. A high nitrogen feed is also beneficial for preventing bitterness. This type of feed promotes healthy growth and helps to reduce stress on the plant. So, to summarize, growing non-bitter cucumbers involves the right balance of care and consideration. Choose a suitable burpless variety like Sweet Slice, Sweet Select, Market More. Provide consistent, careful watering to maintain moist but not waterlogged soil. Protect your plants from dramatic temperature changes and physical damage. And don't forget to feed them a high nitrogen diet. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying delicious, sweet cucumbers from your very own garden. Growing cucumbers can be a rewarding and tasty endeavor. By understanding the factors that contribute to bitterness, you can ensure a sweet and refreshing harvest. So why not give it a try? Your taste buds will thank you.